Okay, let's see what we've got here today. Today, we talked about this in the beginning of the day. At the beginning of the day, we talked about this thing right here, the elephant in the room. And boy, is this an interesting looking elephant. So I picked this location right now, also because it's good lighting. So if you guys want to learn about what's going on with the elephant in the room, go ahead and watch Real Flight, my previous live stream on Real Flight. Today is the 14th, I believe, of which month, I have no idea. They might say that it is the 11th month. You can figure it out by yourself. I don't want to get lost in stuff. But anyway, look how cool this is. This is not something that I created. This is something that you can get yourself off of Thingiverse. So if you're not into CG Trader, which you should be into CG Trader, but if you're not, you can still get cool stuff like this on Thingiverse. Fortunately, I'm out of my account on that one. Oh, buddy. Anyway, the problem with some people is they keep forgetting their passwords, and it'd be nice, just like what Amazon has done, if I could just have a little device at home so that I wouldn't have to keep forgetting all my passwords on all the different things, and you could just be in your password system all the time. You never log out. That would be a good thing. But if not, Amazon came up with a pretty smart idea, which is palm reading. The system reads your palm. You don't have to bring your you don't have to bring cash. You don't have to bring your plastic. You don't have to bring anything. You can pay for your things. Once you set that up, it automatically works with a coupon, so you don't have to do that every time that you get to the register. Search for your coupon on the Amazon app and then pay with your plastic card. You don't have to do any of that. Now, if you go to places like Whole Foods, they have the good old palm reader. Scan your palm, you're done. Scan your palm, you're done. Anyway, in some ways, technology has moved forward, and in other ways, it hasn't. But anyway, if you guys want to check this out, this is definitely something that you can find. What did I do? I think, I can't remember what I put in the search engine. Something like 3 printable items or something. 3 printable items that you can print in one piece. 3 printable items and something. And it's really cool because it prints out like this flat on the build plate, and when you're done, then these are all movable parts. It's got a really cute little tail. The ears don't bend, but this is cool enough already as it is. If you make this out of a rubbery material, so if you're all about that flexible filament, this will obviously have some bend to it, which is kind of cool. And the ears will also have some bend to them. But as is, if you buy it and if you decide to print it out in regular plastic or resin, this is what you're going to get, which is still really awesome. I mean, come on, guys. This is cool. Again, I did not build that. I just got the 3D printer to print it out. So I want to stress that as much as possible. As well as this one, I've talked about this so many different times. I've got this in pink, and I got this in blues, and I've got it in grays, and it comes with an egg as well. So if you wanted to, you could 3D print out a super large egg, and then you'd have a thing to keep it in, which is pretty fantastic there too. Anyway, with this lighting, you get to see all the, which is also quite fun. Again, another thing that I did not create. This is not my creation, but I have on this YouTube channel, you guys have seen, I think I've mentioned the guy's exact name and stuff, and his Thingiverse account. So something to look forward to. If you guys can find it on here, it will be there. This is another one of those cool things too that you can 3D print. If you guys like the bomber, this is a good plug for Motion RC. Motion RC recently released a really cool RC jet that looks just like this. Even better, obviously more details on there's something that you guys want take a look at. And then of course there is the Millennium Falcon, and this I've 3D printed in resin. I've 3D printed in all kinds of different plastics, but it is a really